Once upon a time, in the deep, shimmering blue waters of the ocean, there lived a curious and adventurous little mermaid named Marina. She was the youngest of 6 sisters and had the most vibrant tail, adorned with hues of pink and blue that sparkled like the rarest gems. Marina was enchanted by the world above the waves, a place she had only heard stories about from her grandmother. Each night, she would swim to the surface, her heart filled with wonder as she gazed at the moonlit sky and listened to the distant sounds of the human world. One day, as the sun painted the sky in a breathtaking display of oranges and pinks, Marina noticed a magnificent ship sailing above her. Mesmerized, she swam closer to get a better look. On the ship, she saw a young prince, handsome and full of life, celebrating his birthday with a grand party. The little mermaid watched from below, her heart fluttering with a strange and exciting feeling. As the festivities continued, a storm brewed on the horizon. The waves grew wild, and the ship began to toss and turn. Fear gripped Marina as she witnessed the chaos unfolding above. Without a second thought, Marina dove into the tempest, determined to save the prince. She swam with all her might, her shimmering tail propelling her through the tumultuous waters. Just as the ship was about to be swallowed by the raging sea, Marina reached the prince and pulled him to safety. When the storm subsided, the little mermaid watched from a safe distance as the prince regained consciousness on the shore. She marveled at his charm and kindness, grateful for the chance to have saved him. As she swam away, a bittersweet feeling settled in her heart, for she knew that mermaids and humans could never truly be together. Days turned into weeks, and Marina couldn't shake the image of the prince from her mind. Her longing for the world above grew stronger, and she made a life-changing decision. Seeking the guidance of the wise sea witch, Marina traded her voice for a pair of human legs. On the shore, Marina's tail transformed into legs, and she took her first wobbly steps on land. The sea witch warned her that if she failed to win the love of the prince and marry him, she would turn into sea foam and vanish forever. Undeterred, Marina approached the prince, who was enchanted by the mysterious girl who had saved his life. Unable to speak, she communicated through gestures and expressive eyes, capturing the prince's heart with her kindness and warmth. As they spent time together, Marina discovered the complexities of the human world: joy, love, laughter, but also heartbreak and pain. She shared her story with the prince through drawings and gestures, and he became determined to help her find her voice. However, a shadow lurked in the background, the sea witch, who had her own plans to claim the prince for herself. As the days passed, Marina and the prince's bond deepened, but time was running out. On the eve of the prince's birthday, the sea witch emerged from the depths, revealing Marina's true origin. The prince, torn between his duty and his feelings, faced a difficult choice. In a twist of fate, love triumphed over darkness as the prince declared his love for Marina. In that moment, the curse was broken, and Marina's voice returned. The sea witch, defeated by the power of true love, vanished into the depths of the ocean. Marina and the prince celebrated their newfound happiness, grateful for the lessons they had learned. Marina, torn between two worlds, made a selfless decision. Knowing she couldn't stay on land and live a human life without causing harm to herself and the sea, she returned to the ocean, bidding a tearful farewell to the prince. As Marina swam into the depths, her heart heavy but filled with love, a magical transformation occurred. She became a guardian of the seas, her tail shimmering with an ethereal glow. From that day forward, she watched over the oceans, ensuring harmony and protecting the creatures within. And so, the tale of the Little Mermaid became a legend, whispered through the waves. The prince, touched by the enchanting spirit of Marina, dedicated his life to preserving the beauty of the ocean. And as for Marina, she found solace in her new role, knowing that love, sacrifice, and the wonders of both worlds would forever be a part of her enduring story. And so, under the moonlit waves, the Little Mermaid continued to weave her magic, a timeless guardian of the sea.